it's Aliya from Soap Cult. I hope you're doing really well. I recently ordered from Custom House, which is like a wax seal business in Australia. They've got so many different colours. They make a wax seal wax that you can use in the heat guns. I can't think of the word, glue gun. That's the word, glue guns. And also just sort of melt them the traditional way. And I've always really admired their packaging. So I thought it might be fun to show you how you can get some tips from other small businesses so you can support them and you can get inspiration, always without directly stealing from someone. Why on earth would you want to do that? That's terrible. But you can get ideas of what you can do with packaging that is, you know, really impressive. You can tailor it to your business and you don't have to spend much money. So one of the cool things I like about Custom House is, yeah, they've just got fantastic stickers. Everything's really carefully put together. Like, I didn't actually need any wax seals, but they had such a good offer on that I decided to, you know, stock up because, yeah, it was honestly just such a good offer. And this time I have bought a restock of the glue gun, you know, sort that I use, and also tried out some of their traditional wax sticks that you like light with a lighter and then drip onto the thing and then blow out. So it's kind of like a candle. But yeah, take a look at the packaging that they've got. So they've got simple black boxes. Awesome. Love it. That's what I do too, as often as I can. Their stickers are really carefully placed. Everything's branded nicely. They've got a nice sticker on the outside. In two places, they've got, you know, something that draws interest on the inside. And then the parcel was wrapped in such an elegant way, but it's just really, you know, one or two pieces of plain paper, you know, tissue paper, plain color, and just folded so nicely, and everything looks amazing. So obviously these people do, you know, sealing wax seals. So for your business, whether it's, you know, soap or bath bombs or candles or whatever it is that you're doing, bath and body products, you can get inspiration from other brands and see what you can do for, you know, relatively low cost. All these different stickers and things that they've got, they were probably able to buy in a small quantity or a large quantity. You know, there's places where you can get these things from. But everything just looks so awesome. And even though I've ordered from them a couple of times, it's always exciting, you know, to open it up. And I think one of the things, I'm not sure I've shared this with you before, but one of the reasons why I did such a massive rebrand of my business, going from Sailor Mouth soaps to Soap Cult, was that when I would see people do unboxing videos, it was just like a clown car. It was all this mismatched, random stuff that would fall out of the box. And, you know, I was kind of embarrassed about my branding. So that was one of the reasons why I decided, okay, it's time to invest in getting a professional rebrand. Now, I understand that's not in everyone's budget. It was definitely a stretch for me, but it did transform my business. But you can see here how there is a wonderful, you know, middle ground where you can get something that's, you know, customized enough in your brand colors that it's recognizable, but you haven't had to spend a great deal of money. So let's say one of your brand colors is, you know, like mauve. You could have mauve colored tissue paper. You could have your stickers all printed. You could have, you know, a particular color box. Maybe you wanted to have something to complement the mauve. Maybe your other brand color was, you know, white or a pink or any of those sorts of things. And you can get these basic colors and put them together and then add on some simple stickers, bits and pieces, and it just transforms the look of your brand. It becomes, you know, so smart and so professional. So yeah, I just wanted to show you where I get some inspiration myself, and hopefully this will help you get some ideas for your own business. And having really nice packaging, like, I understand that our products are really important and we want our products to be, you know, the star of the show, but humans are visual creatures. We are so used to things looking absolutely beautiful that they have to look super, super beautiful in order for us to share them online. So if you want to have more people tagging you in unboxings and taking photos and things of your products, consider making some small changes to your business branding, and I promise you, you will see fantastic results. Thanks for watching.